Okay, so here we are at Kalina's backyard. Today is February 24th. We're here, when I say we, the United Methodist Men's Group is here. We're going to be doing some debris cleanup from the storm damage. And so I thought I'd take a before and after video. So I'm just kind of walking back through her backyard, and I'll just try and capture some of the bulk of it. It looks like we have about, I'd say 12 volunteers here with chainsaws and small tractors. Gives you an idea of what we're looking at. Okay, we're about an hour and a half into it. We've got a lot of work done. Still, a couple people are taking breaks. You can see our wood pile we've got going. We've hauled two loads to the dump, 2 loads of sticks to the dump, and some of the trees you can see are still snagged, but they're going to have to be mitigated with a tree trimmer. And you can see there was a lot of damage to the arborvitae bordering this parking lot. There in the distance is Trinity United Methodist Church. And we have a ways to go yet, but it's looking a lot better than it was an hour ago, 2 hours ago.